Thank you for joining me on this adventure. Your presence means the world to me. Greetings, viewers. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of R.D. Middlebrook in this video. Robert David Middlebrook, May 16, 1929, April 16, 2010, was a professor of electrical engineering at the California Institute of Technology Caltech. He is most well known in the field of power electronics and as a proponent of design-oriented circuit analysis. Let's now turn our gaze towards biography and explore the fascinating connections it has to offer. He was born in England in 1929. He died in California on April 16, 2010. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding power electronics as we navigate its intriguing terrain. He is regarded as one of the founders of the field of power electronics. He developed the state space averaging method of analysis and other tools crucial to modern power electronics design. He was highly regarded both as a researcher and a teacher. He founded the Power Electronics Group at Caltech. Many of his former students are leaders in the field of power electronics today, including Slobodan Čech, Bach Vorprian, Dragan Maksimovic, Robert Eriksson, and V. Ramanarayanan. The IEEE Power Electronics Society has established the R. David Middlebrook Award for Outstanding Contribution in the technical field of power electronics in his honor. Middlebrook was one of the founders of the IEEE Applied Power Electronics Conference APEC. Our focus now turns to design-oriented analysis, an important aspect of our discussion. Dr. Middlebrook was a leading proponent of design-oriented analysis (DOA) of electrical circuits, which is a circuit analysis technique that seeks to develop circuit equations that are simple yet physically insightful. He developed many of the tools of DOA, including the extra element theorem and the general feedback theorem. His goal with DOA was to fundamentally change the way electrical engineering is taught in order to focus on practical design rather than circuit analysis. Middlebrook advocated keeping circuit analysis and equations as simple as possible, only adding additional complexity when experiments show it to be necessary. Many engineers who have studied DOA after a traditional electrical engineering education have asked why circuit analysis is not taught in school using Middlebrook's methods. A catchphrase familiar to Middlebrook's Caltech students is his dogged assertion of salient points in the application of his DOA methodology during instruction or in redline on graded homework assignments or tests. He wrote several books, including An Introduction to Junction Transistor Theory, which helped early electrical engineers devise practical applications for the transistor. Get ready to immerse yourself in the world of awards and recognition as we examine its impact and relevance. Middlebrook was a Life Fellow of the IEEE and a Fellow of the IEEE UK. His technical recognitions include a Richard P. Feynman Prize for Excellence in Teaching, 1997, Caltech's highest teaching award. Edward Longstreth Medal of the Franklin Institute for the Development of Switched-Mode Power Converters, given at the Franklin Institute in Philadelphia on May 1, 1991. Power Conversion International Magazine PCIM Award for Leadership in Power Electronics Education, given at the High Frequency Power Conversion Conference in Santa Clara in May 1990. IEEE Millennium Medal, 2000, in recognition and appreciation of valuable services and outstanding contributions. IEEE Centennial Medal, 1984, for extraordinary achievement deserving of special recognition. William East, Newell Power Electronics Award for Outstanding Achievement in Power Electronics, presented at the June 1982 IEEE Power Electronics Specialists Conference in Boston. Award for Excellence in Teaching, presented by the Board of Directors of the Associated Students of the California Institute of Technology Caltech in June 1982. I-100 Award from Industrial Research Magazine for one of the 100 most significant new technical products of the year in 1980. I hope you learned something new today. Let me know what you found most interesting in the comments below.